are presenting our Orbital project Tamagotchi, a desktop pet that lives with your coding environment. We notice that coding can be really frustrating sometimes. Errors, bugs, and warnings pop up, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed or stuck. That's where Tamagotchi comes in. Your virtual pet can react to your code in real time, giving you company when you need it. Our key features include an account system to save your unique pets, real-time interaction with your code, a desktop app to monitor your progress and achievements, and finally, AI integration to give your pet personality that talks back. Now I will be explaining the workflow of the real-time code monitoring system that integrates with the user's Visual Studio Code environment. The process begins when the user launches VS Code with the extension that actively listens for errors in the background. These errors are then transmitted via sockets to a diagnostic server, which waits for incoming data. Upon receiving the errors, the server organizes them and determines whether they are runtime errors. If they are runtime errors, both the UI and the database are updated to reflect the issue. If the errors are not runtime errors, only the UI is updated. Now I will be demonstrating our Tamagotchi. First of all, our application requires users to have an account. As a new user, we would need to register an account first. After we have logged in, we may either call out our pet or create a new pet. Since this is a new account, we proceed to adopting a new pet. Let's name it Violet. By creating your first pet, you have unlocked your first achievement. You can interact with Violet by petting her. You can also drag her around to put her in any corner of your desktop. Feeding her is also a great way to increase intimacy with your pet. In Pet Gallery, you can see the status of all your past and present pets. Fluffy is a pet that we have added for demonstration purposes. You can also click in to see the details. When you double-click on the pet, you can chat with your AI pet. Lastly, you can enter the settings page. Here, you can adjust your pet's personality. Also, you can turn on the code monitor function. Remember to turn on the switch to monitor your code. First, enter your path to the directory you want to monitor. Press Scan Now to perform a one-time check for any errors in your files that might harm your pet. Press Save Path Settings to remember this folder and begin monitoring it in real time for changes and errors. Now let's create a file from VS Code. If you made any syntax errors in the file, the health points of your pet will decrease. Now I will be introducing our SW practices. We enforced a strict separation between the main layer and the renderer layer. Context isolation is always enabled in web preferences, ensuring that untrusted web content cannot access the Electron internals directly. Throughout development, we used Git for version control. All our commits are documented and our codebase is managed through a remote repository on GitHub. We implemented both unit and integration tests to ensure the stability and correctness of our backend API.